Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat notification not popping up. So if you are using Android device or iPhone, then if your notification are not showing, which will not popping up on the lock screen, then how you can fix that, or not showing any kind of notification your Snapchat. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat and you have to check whether your Snapchat is getting any kind of new things, which means getting notification or not. Which means if you do not have notification and you are worried in anything like that, so what you have to do, you have to check whether you are receiving notification on your Snapchat or not. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app if you are using Android device, and if you are using iPhone or iOS device, then you have to simply go to Snapchat settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the permission, and after that you have to check whether you have provide all kind of permission to Snapchat. But if it is not getting any kind of permission, then you have to simply provide all kind of necessary permission. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you have allowed notification, which means you have turned on the notification or not. And if it is turned off, then which means you have to simply turn all the notification for Snapchat. And after you turn all the notification for Snapchat, then you will be able to get the notification. But if the problem is still there, then what you can do is you can simply click on Snapchat. You can simply report that problem to Snapchat support so that they can help you in a better way. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down, and here you have to click on I need help. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for Snapchat help, and here you have to simply search for notification, so that here you can simply how I have my Snapchat notification. So here you can click on how do I control my Snapchat notification, and they will tell you about how you can click control the notification. But if this doesn't work for you, then you can simply click on that, and after that you have to simply go back and you have to simply open a form which can provide you about the details. So here you have to click on manage my account, and after that you have to click on settings and permission, and here you have to click on notification, and after that you can simply click on how do I control my Snapchat notification on iOS. And after that they will tell you about how you can control the notification. And after that you can simply see all the necessary help. If this work for you, then well and good, and if it doesn't work for you, then which means it is a bug in Snapchat. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.